Christmas tree ornament number 5. For today's video, I will be again using these border buddies. You get them in different shapes like circle, triangle, square, and now there are even more like hexagon and pentagon in some brands. So for this part, I will be using the square one. And I am taking 3 shades of blue like we did earlier in yesterday's video. I'll be taking 2 different shades which will be of whole length and 10 mm wide. The third color will be half length of the strip. With the darker shade, I am going to make a bigger size square. So I will be choosing the base. So I will be choosing the size from base of the tool. To start with, I am gluing at one corner, near the tip, and then wrap them all around till the end. At the end, I will be using some glue to stick it, and we can just leave it to dry. For the next shade, I will be moving some 4 levels up so that I get a smaller size than the first shape we made. Even in this, I am doing the same. I will be adding glue in the tip and then wrapping them all around, and finally in the end I am going to apply some glue to finish it. And for the third color, which is a half length strip, I will be going still 4 more levels up and do it. Because it is a smaller shape, and if I am going to use a whole strip, then it will become thicker when I finish, and it will be around the same size of the shade which we made in the middle. To avoid that, I am using half strip. Once they are dry, we can just pop them all out and get ready to make our Christmas tree ornament. It is so much similar to the one that we made yesterday. So we are going to stick all the 3 shades, putting one inside the other and then gluing them. And finally, I am attaching a cord to finish it. You can leave the squares as such or press them in the sides to make it like a rhombus shape. Here you can see the different border buddies and the different shapes that we got from them. So we can make them with different shapes and different shades to give them beautiful looks. Hope you liked today's video. See you tomorrow.